How to log in to Commonwealth Bank online banking. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or others. Navigate to a trusted search engine, such as Google. In the search bar, type Commonwealth Bank and press Enter. From the search results, carefully select only the official website of Commonwealth Bank to ensure secure access. Once the homepage fully loads, click on the Log On button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose your preferred login option based on the type of banking service you use. For this guide, we'll proceed by selecting the ComSec Logon option. On the login page, enter your client ID or username in the Client ID field. Input your password in the designated Password field. You may click the eye icon to toggle the visibility of your password for verification. If you've forgotten your credentials, click on the Forgot Client ID or Password link to begin the recovery process. If you're a new user, select the Join Now option to register for an account. For NetBank users, click on Login with NetBank for direct access to your NetBank account. Finally, after entering your credentials, click the Log In button to securely access your Commonwealth Bank online banking dashboard.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.